So the first thing you're going to do here is disconnect these leads. These use 10 mil bolts, and so these you don't need to completely remove it, you just need to loosen the bolt in order to take it off. There's an additional bolt right here that we disconnect like so. It is a little bit challenging to tuck these cables away, but you just want to make sure that they're not going to contact these two leads on the battery. On this one, you can lift it up. There is an additional 10 mil bolt right there. I'm gonna get this battery out. You're gonna slightly let that go, and then we're gonna tuck this somewhere where these are not going to touch the battery. And so with these two things out of the way, now we're actually going to remove or loosen these two 10 mil bolts right here. So get your 10 mil. And you just need to loosen these, you don't need to take it all the way off. There's a hook. So there's a hook that grabs into the metal on the bottom of the car. We're just gonna do the same on this. So these out of the way. So the hook should come out, that's great. You might have to just, hopefully you'll be able to rotate these by hand. This hook's out. Now we can take off this cover. Make sure you put it somewhere safe. And then this battery is quite heavy, and ideally you will not touch it too much. And there's a little bit of a tray around it, so we're just going to lift up on it. There's no handles, which is fantastic. You can get your hand on the base of it, that's great, because it can give you a lot of leverage. There we go. Wonderful. So we've just got the battery out.